made you great coffee, hid you from the cops. I used to make you calm, kissing and massaging. It's days like these that make me wanna go and try things, busting up the seats. Now I just wanna go and rock things. Made a lot of greed, now I just wanna go shopping. I used to treat you right, yeah. I used to be your life, your life. Tell me what did you run from? Tell me why did you run from me now? Oh, raindrops fall, sun goes by, whole new day, trying to get by. Seeing you cry just made my day now. Trying new ways now, going all gray now. Used to be around you, but it's a whole new place now. Used to go alone, but it's a whole new train now. Oh, am I gone? And it's a whole new race, yeah. Oh, am I
in the world. It's the man Holy Fire back at it again. I know this morning is a Saturday morning. Feeling much better this morning, yeah. And we're on the road. We're in a Grand Cayman as usual. Yeah. In Grand Cayman for now. Yeah. As I say, it's a Saturday morning. So we're heading straight onto Windsor Park. Yeah. So it's almost, yeah, it's after 10 a.m. in the morning. And we got work to do. So let's get work done. The sun hot. Yes, peeps. No, that's the night Caribbean and a summer. Just that this summer it's hotter. Hotter than hotter. So let's see what we can get done today. Today is the day. So hopefully today will be a very progressive day. Yeah. We will get some work done and we can make us swag one in a Grand Cayman. Yeah. So trust me. When the sun's so hot, trust me, you gotta be tough mentally, not just physically but mentally. It's mentally. Put your mind to the work and just work. Yeah. Put your mind to it, peeps, and just work. Sometimes you have to watch in car race the park on the side of the road, but that's one not. Because sometimes police driving a private car and park at the side of the road just to watch you speed, and then they turn out the siren in a private vehicle. Yeah. Yeah, but I'm not speeding still. Yeah, I'm never speeding, not true. Just hear somebody say that I'm never speeding. Come on. So yes, peeps. So if you need a car to buy, those cars over there are for sale. Yeah. So let's see what's happening in the town this morning as we head on into Georgetown and to Windsor Park. Yes, this. So we're out here without fear this morning. Whoa. And it's a good day. The sky look, yeah, blue skies with a little bit of cloud. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna get no rain today. It doesn't seem like a rainy day. Seems quite nice. Yes, peeps, today seems quite nice. So let's see what will happen. Let's see what will happen and what will be popping. Yes, peeps. Woo! Yeah. Construction work booming. Construction workers on the job, working in the sun. Construction workers, you know, face it daily too. Have to work directly in the sun. But just a part of it. Part of the process, somebody have to do it. Not true. Somebody gotta do it. And landscapers working. Yeah. One time I used to do landscaping too. Used to use the edge of the like what he's using. Long time I use that. Oh. Yes, peeps. So we reached by West Bay Road. Public bus pull over, letting off somebody. Yeah. So we just passed the hotel over yesterday, Westin. Yeah. So stick and stay, peeps. Yeah, not go nowhere.
I treated you wrong, maybe that's it. I treated you poorly, made you great coffee, hid you from the cops. I used to make you calm, kissing and massaging. It's days like these that make me wanna go and try things, busting up.
Landscapers working. Yes, babe, so we're almost reach a Windsor Park. Yep. And it's the morning. Sun kind of cool down, but yeah. So almost reach Windsor. So it says Windsor Park Road. See, more landscapers working. What the winds are now, peeps. Remember in the water, I'm showing the water and the flood at one point. Water was full up right here. Crazy amount of water. Look at that. Yeah, so when rain fall a lot, winds are flood out very easily. A lot of water circle up around majority of places around here. Yeah. And this is Windsor Park Community Center. Yeah. This is the community center. Free Wi-Fi. Windsor Park Playground. So they're on Williams Drive. Williams Drive, peeps. So stick and stay. Match up some work at Windsor and leave quick and fast. No itching. So I'm gonna turn right also. So stick and stay, peeps. We are done in Windsor Park. So we are going to airport side to get some gas. Yes, peeps, so I get some gas. So we are on Smith Road. Now we are head towards the airport to get some gas out that side. Yeah. Because we are low on gas. Let's stick and stay. Yeah, so look a runabout there, okay, man. This is one of the mini runabout them. Yeah. Some people use the runabout like it's a four-way because they don't know how to use it. Yes, peeps. As I say, it's a Saturday morning with the Grand Cayman. And before you got your landscaping man working, only power work because of rainfall the other day. The grass overgrown and fence overgrown and all that. Yeah. Now but I go through the stoplight. So we take it right here. Stoplight I go all the way up. No stoplight, come on. Yes, and this is a cricket field. So, someone will play cricket right across from the airport. And next to the farmers market, over here, see the farmers market. As I'm playing, I come in the small Cayman areas. Over there, see the farmers market. Same time. So it's a busy Saturday morning. Busy. Yeah, so the road busy. Instead of use it like that to use it quick and fast. Yeah. This is how we use it. See, on private jet, they'll take off. It's a private jet for the airport. Let's see. This is how we use it, peeps. I know the airport busy again. Hopefully very soon I'll be using the airport too, catching a flight. Yeah, private jet to take off. Yeah, see it there, up and away it goes. The peeps. Up and away it goes. Gone. So I was gonna say we're about to so get some gas. Yeah, so the airplane there. That for Jamaica that I go, that will be back in Jamaica. That will be in Jamaica like 45 minutes. 45 minutes, and that's Jamaica. Imagine that. Hey, I can't wait. I can hardly wait. I can wait, I should say. I can hardly wait. Yeah, so I just take care of us so. I'm at a gas station. No waste no time, peeps. Gas station, gas station. Gas station. Yeah. And then where you go, you got pedestrian crossing. So you got gas station, gas station. Gas station is the closest one to the airport. So yes, babe, stick and stay. This sky get cloudy again. I wanna see no sun, but we get some gas, and so I go on in a Cayman. So yes, peeps, so the regatta. I'm just done doing work. See there? Yeah, it's a Prada. No, a long time Prada, but in a good condition. And the drive good, same way. Bring it back, peeps. Yeah, there Cayman. Be nice sun. Yeah. Sun hot, but we are work with it. Oh, almost block up myself. Yes, peeps. Stick and steer. I'm not going nowhere. Big branch drop off for that tree there, and they'll block me up. Never realized some of them close behind it. Yeah, this is a peeps. This is a Long time proud about them drive good same way. It drive good same way. Yeah. It drive good same way, peeps. So let's take it back to Governor's Square. Let's take it back, peeps. Take it back. So this is Governor's Square. And a police school over here too. Yeah. This police vehicle. I'll take like this. Right here. So that's here, so. Alright peeps, stick on stay. Yes peeps. And now we are going to head to Holiday Inn. That's by the hotel of Holiday Inn, just like in Jamaica. Yeah. So we're at Regatta. This is Regatta. Regatta. Medical school over there. Yeah. We have real estate companies and stuff like that. It's different company over here. Yeah. You can see sun is hot today. Sky is partly cloudy, as the weatherman would say. It is partly cloudy. Not sure if we're having a rain, so let's see how it turns out. So we'll go sometime. One time, bring back the vehicle them. Have a good little walk to do. Especially when you're working alone. And a two of you at work, it's not so bad. Because one drive can pick you up back. But then when you're alone, you have to go for walking. But walking good for you. You can't just drive and not walk. Yeah. And there we get up peeps. And the sun is hot, yes. And I'm tired, thirsty rather. Yeah. Thirsty. Yeah. So as I say, we're gonna head over Holiday Inn now. Let's stick and stay. We're gonna show as the day progresses. And I'm trying to fight this flu, but I don't know when I go to my system. Still, you know, but tough on it still. So big up on yourself. Stay tuned, I'm going away.
Tell me, why did you run from me now? Oh, I used to treat you right.
So yes peeps, we're heading to Holiday Inn. Yeah, we left over Regatta and we head over Holiday Inn. This is Holiday Inn, Safe Haven Road. So over here you have very big golf course. This is the golf course in Grand Cayman, right by Safe Haven. Yes, this golf course is between Safe Haven and over Crystal Harbor. And I gave it coming over the other side. See? It's how the rich guys bar. It's a weekend and they're playing golf. I see the golf course busy too. All of a golf cart. Enough for them to play golf, please. They be playing golf all day. Yeah. What is the peeps? So what your son name? Safe Haven. So we are head over Holiday Inn. I guess I'm gonna patch out some holes that dig up over here from the other day. Excuse, I'm gonna patch out some hole. Yeah. A lot of work. Patching out to do. If any holes and stuff, then patch them out. Yes, people. So the golf course big. It's very big. Very, very big. I don't know why. Somebody tell me why a golf course always have to have water in over there. I don't know. I always notice it, not just in the Caribbean, but all over me. I always see like water for the there. Why is that? You know. Golf club look like upper people, but I tell them, man, yeah. Look, golf club full. This is the golf club, peeps. This is the golf club. And it's pretty full. People have park over here, so. So look like all the golfers come out. Them have some from a tournament there. Must seem so. So much people come out. Okay. It's awfully crowded today. Hear that? She smashes the ball. Yeah, and if you look over the sea over there, the sea is never too far in Cayman. Everywhere you go, the sea is very, very close by. Holy smoke! I didn't see that speed bump. Cause it never, that one no paint, just like this one. Cause it no paint. So when you paint you see it easily from afar. Oh, I didn't see it, so drive over. I don't know why they no paint them on here. See, the golf club is so big. Come over that side there too. Go across the feet, across the road. Come across the road. And it's big gone all the way over there, so it's very big piece. Good size golf course. So we're almost reached now. And to my left, you can go through other gate there, and go over Crystal Harbour, that's our gate community. And to my right, heading towards Holiday Inn. And see more construction over here, people building more homes. Yeah, just the other day the house I make The house here finished very, very recently. This one. Very, very recently. So look like they're not even done it. Look like they still work on it, done it. Even the movie in it, like they still work on it. Yeah. And then you have Holiday Inn. The Grand Caymanian. And this is Holiday Inn, peeps. The Holiday Inn Resort. You see it, peeps? So there. Holiday Inn. See the hotel there? Have I look nice, don't? Yeah. Have I look real nice? And when I back, pretty. Anyway, peeps, stick and stay. So yes, peeps, we're leaving Holiday Inn here in Cayman. As you can see, all the construction are going over here. Some big house I make. Some big house. So if you don't get none of Cayman yet and want piece, run come grab it. Cayman. Yeah, everybody want to grab piece. Then I make the house right side of the canal. Yeah, no, the canal is man-made, and then during the sea come towards it, so you can park your boat or whatever you have right there in your house. Yeah. So this is Grand Cayman. Yeah. One of them places where the rich guy them live. That is it, babes. That is it. Private property. So golf course big is a shame. Yeah, so we're heading out back. And I'm and son to play golf. Yeah. It's a game that I've never played, but hope on one day I get to play it. Hopefully one day I get to play. So then my son a play golf, but my son a work. Hey. And they have the refreshment and then cat. That's how it goes, folks. That's how it is. See, golf course, miles for miles, big. See, over there, so over here, so look how big it is. You come back behind Holiday Inn, come back to the sea. Big, man. It's extremely big. Over here, so I will soon develop over here, so too. And make some hotel or something, get out for land over here, so very shortly you're gonna see fire sale up there. You got some development start going over here, so got the whole heap of land this same here too. Yeah. Yes, peeps. Just stick and stay. I'm going away. Peeps. It's over for the day today, so I'm finished working for the day. It's like after 5 now. After 5, after 6. And the sun is still hot after 6 in the Caribbean here. 6 p.m. in the Caribbean. And the sun is hot still. So we'll have sunset until after 7. Yeah. So I'm heading home. Not heading home yet, I should say. Going to the supermarket to get me some oats and a little bit more ingredients to blend up something. Yeah. I was going to hear that food thing this evening, so I'll grab something simple. Just stick and steer. I'm going away. And so I can get a supermarket for grab. Not literally grab, but to buy. Yeah. And Then I'll get one 6-pack with some Guinness and Dragon. Just to mix up. Yeah, just a little blending. But stick and stay and so I'm going to go with. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for
cops. I used to make it calm, kissing and massaging. It stays like these that make me wanna go and try things. Busting up the seats, now I just wanna go and rock things. Made a lot of greed, now I just wanna go shopping.
So yes, peeps, I reach home in the early evening and I feel like I cook, so I'm not cooking this evening. So this is what I'm having for dinner. I have peanuts, 2-finger green banana. Yes, I have oats, a Fosca oats and Dragon and Guinness. Yes, Irish potato. I have a piece of Irish potato. I have a vanilla and I have 2 supplegen. So that is it. A stick and stay. I do a little blend up quick. But mosquito then come out more. So let's have a blend up them here now. Fast. I'll peel my banana and peel the Irish. Yes. And do a quick blend up please. Mosquitoes are coming out. Because we have a whole mosquito now. No mosquitoes. Jeez, no smoke. I breathe that well enough here, but mosquito they open up. So, I'll give the Irish quick on fast. Yeah, I put raw Irish from my blend of stuff. I know Irish has potassium, banana, and of iron. And of course, we have some moringa seed. And I have the peanut. Yes, please. And I don't want to spray on everything. I don't like to spray on mosquito repellent thing. I don't really like it. But enough mosquito just came on now. Like even hours, mosquito will eat you alive. And then come out enough. Yes. And I put my green banana. Yeah. And green banana. Yes, please. Yes, so this is some green banana. The banana come from again. Didn't say it come from so they can't get send me a banana because the hurricane has sent me a banana damage in Jamaica. So this banana come from Costa Rica. Yeah. Because supermarket can't get the banana from Jamaica now. So that's in there. With the peanuts. Put the banana in there and the Irish. And I'll show you what I see. No, I want the peanuts here. So one job, yeah. All the peanuts here to use. All the peanuts gotta use. That's a small amount. And put the meringue them. Meringue, you know it too. Meringue seed. Yeah. Put the meringue seed in there. Quick and fast. Yeah. So yes, babes, that one now. No need no dinner. This is a full meal by itself. This is a full meal. The sausage in there too. One eye sausage in there. And give it a good blend now. So everything get refined. stick and stay. So yes, peeps. This now. This finished now. So throw off this one. Yes. Yeah, no peanut grain in it. It's well refined. Holy smoke. Yes, that's well refined. So now let's blend the oats. Not too much oats, I don't want it too thick. I don't want it too thick. That's enough. So no sugar needed. Sufficient amount and banana them. So no sugar needed. Irish mash. No Irish mash. I didn't buy any Irish mash. Because I get not liking the Irish mash in the tin. I like the raw Irish mash. I have Irish mash but I never get the time to boil it. I like the Irish mash straight from the sea. Put a little bit of vinegar. Put all of this, just one amount. That is it. So blend the oats until extremely refined. That's it. It's supposed to be good now. So no water added also. Yeah. That is it. Make sure everything mixes up. See peeps? That's rich. It is not too thick. Let me taste it. Yeah. And just right. Stick and stay. I'll grab a piece of ice and come back. So yes, folks, as you see, I'm ready now. Yes, I have my glass with my ice. One thing once is a glass, piece of ice, and that's it. Yeah. Be nice served. So nutritious. Best beef. So if it's the first time you're across the channel, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Yeah. Tell a friend. Yeah. About Holy Fire channel. And thank you all for always supporting. Big up on yourself, enough love and respect. On fire, Holy Fire. Love what I do what I love, and do it to the best of your ability. Until next video, peace out.
I used to treat you right. I used to be your life, your life. Tell me, what did you run from? Tell me, why did you run from me now? Oh, I used to treat you right. I used to be your life, your life. same outcome. Don't know how I treated you wrong. Maybe that's it. I treated you poorly. Made you great coffee. Hid you from the cops. I used to make you calm, kissing and massaging. It's days like these that make me wanna go and try things. Busting up the seat, now I just wanna go and rob things. Made a lot of greed, now I just wanna go shopping. I used to treat you right, yeah. I used to be in your life, your life. Tell me what did you run from? Tell me why did you run from me now? Oh, raindrops fall, sun goes by, whole new day, trying to get by.